All right, we're recording the sewer line here at 10520 14th Ave Northwest. Date's January 25th, 2021. I've got the camera downstream the line all the way through the repair that Bob Oates has performed here. Repaired a 2-inch failing kitchen laundry line. I'm going to come back from this point. We're in the main stack right now. Julian, could you flush the toilet one time for me, please? If I could get this little camera around that corner, we'd be able to see that flush. But that's the main toilet stack there. We're coming back from that spot into our line that we performed some of our repairs on. This is still cast iron. This is original. This is underneath the bathroom floor. Coming back into this 2-inch cast and then into plastic here. So this was plastic repaired by someone else in the past, this black plastic you're seeing here. We're going to jump back into our white plastic we installed here. This is Schedule 40 PVC. That's where it starts here, just outside the bathroom in the hallway, underneath the hallway. And then we're going to come back through this stretch. That branch arm tie-in you see there leads to the outside floor drain, as well as the laundry and a floor drain inside the home. Keep coming back from that point. We're running underneath the laundry room floor now. This is all brand new PVC pipe. It's been replaced as part of this project. And coming up out of the fitting, we're making this recording from the clean out inside the wall here. And that's the end of the video.